The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, Humanity's Gateway to the Universe. 1. Introduction. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, stands as a testament to human ingenuity, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Established in 1958 during a period of intense geopolitical competition known as the space race, NASA has evolved into a symbol of innovation and collaboration. Its missions have not only expanded our understanding of the cosmos but have also driven advancements in technology, engineering, and international cooperation. In this document, we will explore NASA's rich history, iconic missions, scientific discoveries, technological contributions, and ambitious plans for the future. 2. The founding of NASA. The creation of NASA was a direct response to the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik 1 in October 1957, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. This historic event marked the beginning of the space race, fueling concerns in the United States about national security and technological superiority. In July 1958, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act, establishing NASA as a civilian space agency. NASA officially began operations on October 1, 1958, with the mission of advancing human knowledge in aeronautics, space exploration, and science. Key objectives of NASA at inception: conduct peaceful space research, explore outer space for scientific purposes, foster international cooperation in space exploration. NASA inherited resources from its predecessor, the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, including its facilities, personnel, and ongoing projects. 3. Early achievements, 1958 to 1966. Project Mercury. NASA's first human spaceflight program, Project Mercury, 1958 to 1963, aimed to determine whether humans could survive space travel. It achieved significant milestones. Alan Shepard, the first American in space,
of the
1961.
Delta rocket carrying GLAST,
John
a
Glenn,
gamma ray
the
telescope
first American
searching
to
for
orbit
unseen
Earth aboard
physics in the
Friendship 7,
stars of the galaxies.
1962. Project Mercury's success demonstrated the feasibility of human spaceflight and positioned the United States as a formidable player in the space race. Project Gemini. Building on Mercury's achievements, Project Gemini, 1964 to 1966, focused on advanced spaceflight techniques needed for lunar missions, including long-duration spaceflights, rendezvous and docking in orbit, spacewalking, EVA. Gemini missions provided critical knowledge and experience, setting the stage for the Apollo program. 4. The Apollo era, a giant leap for mankind. The Apollo program is one of NASA's most celebrated achievements. Initiated in 1961 by President John F. Kennedy, its goal was to land humans on the Moon and return them safely to Earth. Apollo 11. On July 20, 1969, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made history by becoming the first humans to walk on the Moon. Their colleague, Michael Collins, remained in lunar orbit aboard the command module. Armstrong's words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," symbolize the pinnacle of human achievement. Subsequent Apollo missions. Between 1969 and 1972, NASA conducted 6 lunar landings, each expanding scientific exploration and technological innovation. The final mission, Apollo 17, included the first geologist astronaut, Harrison Schmitt.